takeoff flaps. Gear up, flaps up.
Man, it's jumping all over the place.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, I saw him. Hit that! Way over on the other end. I hear you. I'm staying away from you.
No, I want to find you.
Oh.
I'm FPV right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Well, then do your thing. I'll come to you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You should see me now.
Oh yeah, I see you.
I'm putting around, so you gotta come catch me. You still see it?
Oh, there you are.
I'm barely moving, so you can catch me. A very gradual turn to your left. Well, I'm only doing it so you can find me. You on me now? I guess that thing's not as... You're like barely moving. Way the hell away, and I'm cruising at a quarter throttle.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm right in front of you now. There, to your right. There, I'm barely moving. Come on. There you go.
No, I didn't.
You see it?
I do, but I'm having trouble. That's so crazy.
30 seconds.
Yeah, I gotta go. Because I'm cruising at quarter throttle and I can barely keep it in the air. I'm back to normal now. You alright?
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
We'll have to do it where you take off at the same time. Alright, I'm coming in.
Down.
least you caught it on landing.
Better,
What's wrong?
but I just cut the throws way down.
Oh, it's okay.
Cut my expo way down. Because I had a lot of throw and a lot of expo.
Uh-huh. Did that help or hurt? For FPV, you need it.